Yeah, hit it. Come on. Everybody, come on. Hey. Yahweh, Yahweh. Everybody say Yahweh, Yahweh. Driven. Let's go. Yeah, excuse me, but yes, I'm about to go there. All in the spirit. 7 souls out of nowhere. Young minister, the devil better beware. On the contrary, it's a must that I stay here. So move, devil. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. Snatching veils off scene like a white lady perk. If you see me, you must see Jesus. Believe this. The season for victory is here. Please keep your mouth closed. If you ain't about winning, you will be exposed. All who ain't with thee gotta be the rival. Matthew 12:30 from the Amplified Bible. No one comes through the Father except through me. John 14:6, Jesus hold the keys. Bought and paid for. Do what you're made for. Go when they say so. Pray and be faithful. Many will be called and few will be chosen. Some will be worshiping, some will be frozen. Thinking this business, some sideshow. Are you kidding me? Romans 12:2. You better think twice, or you end up down there begging for some ice.
Begging for some ice, or a tip of water on your tongue like the guy. Disease, eye, please open your eyes. Like Father Abraham, I won't compromise. Life, then death, then judgment. After serious and after, you need a paradigm shift like back yeah. Renew your mind, repent from every little sin in your mind. For the kingdom of God is hidden in your line. Tell that devil just get thee behind. Come NIKB and illuminate.
Yeah.
Hold up. Can I spit it, can't quit it, you know I'm with it. That holy mission, he is living, we living it is finished, it is written. Wait a minute, no need for the distance, all of this given. Listen, change, you got that prison, Christ is risen, we forgiven. Take position, gave us the vision, Holy Ghost driven, yeah, that's him. We saw the dark of God, yeah, we turned up. The devil said the tripping, want us all burnt up. But we got Christ living in us, yeah, we loaded cuz. No weapon from against us, yeah, you know what's up. We ain't bound down, throw us in the fire, bud. Jesus always with us, bruh. He ain't gave us no fear, man. What you really thought this was?
I don't know, Nick V, they better back up before we mess around and tear this whole track up. Forgive me, Lord, see, they got me wanna act up. But I know through Christ this here is not a factor. It's kinda hard when your spirit man jacked up. AKB, can I please have some backup?
Ooh, devil, get out the way. Get out the way, devil, get out the way. Ooh, devil, get out the way. Get out the way, devil, get out the way. Ooh.
2 Corinthians 10:4-6 got me armored up for such a time like this. I'm sick of the devil and all his tricks. The silly rabbit must forgot my God is infinite. I've been more attentive from where I glean from, who I lean on, people who be wrong. So sadistic and set in ways they do spiteful stuff and had a nerve to pray. I know well enough that that's not okay, and it will be brought back at the end of days.
Lord, you've been so good to me. 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 Thank you, Jesus, that you never left me. Thank you, Jesus, how you always kept me. You provided for me, protected me, giving me grace, didn't turn away. Mercy made a way. Thank you, Jesus, for one other day. I don't deserve your grace, truly your word has me walk by faith. Corona high rate, you kept me safe. Death high, Lord, I'm here another day. Thank you, Jesus, for shoes on my feet, food on my plate, money to provide for my family. I'ma give you praise. You worthy, Lord. I'ma shout today. You worthy, Lord. I'ma give you praise. Woo! Lord, you've been so good to me. Lord, you've been so good to me. Lord, you've been so good to me. Lord, you've been so. Lord, you've been so good to me. Has the Lord been good to anybody? Lord, you've been so good to me. Lord, you've been so good, yes you Lord, you've been so good to me. You provided for me. Lord, you've been so good to me. You protected me. Lord, you've been so good to me. Lord, you've been so good to me. Lord, you've been so good. Lord, you've been so good to me. 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 Lord, you've been so good. Lord, you've been so good to me. You've been so good. You've been so good. Yes, you have. You've been so good. Hey. Lord, you've been so good. Lord, you've been so good. Got a father who really cares. Got a father who's always there. Got a father who teaches me. To this day, he's still right there. Anybody like you? Got a father who really cares. Got a father who's always there. Got a father who teaches me. To this day, he's still right there. Anybody like you? I was a lost teenager in need of a father, and you came and you rescued me. Brought me into your life, you worked hard to provide for me. The lessons you had taught to me, more than money can buy. Because of God and your obedience to him, you helped change my life. Yeah. Got a father who really cares. Got a father who's always there. Got a father who teaches me. To this day, he's still right there. Anybody like you? Who really cares. Got a father who's always there. Got a father who teaches me. To this day, he's still right there. Anybody like you? Never gave up on me, when most times gave you a reason to. I know you kept praying for me, and you keep leading me to the truth. You helped other kids who needed you, didn't pick and choose, you attended to God's call for the youth. Thanks for being an example, cause I wanna be just like you. Got a father who really cares. Got a father who's always there. Got a father who teaches me. To this day, he's still right there. Anybody like you? Got a father who really cares. Got a father who's always there. Got a father who teaches me. To this day, he's still right there. Anybody like you? You yeah, yeah. A special blessing for me. Got a father who really cares. Got a father who's always there. Got a father who teaches me. To this day, he's still right there. Anybody like you?